Back with another detail and blessed with another one. All right, so on this detail right here, we're doing an interior cleaning on this police unit. This video right here is just showing me cleaning the seats and how difficult just the bottom area was. I had to go over this seat like probably at least like 3 or 4 times, and that just shows you how like much people are in and out of these vehicles a lot, and a lot of these vehicles have been sitting too as well. So it's like when you get a new police unit, or you get a unit that you clean for the first time, most likely it's gonna be like terrible. And this was the experience of this one, and it took us some time to like extract the seats and steam clean everything. But that's the most effective way. I would say the dirtiest part about these police units probably are the trash that's built up and left over time, just under the seats. And once you maneuver those and get it to a right place, because it's kind of hard to get behind it, but once you figure out the spacing and you can get behind it, like what I did was steam clean a lot of that and just pulled out a lot of trash from up under it. And that's kind of a lot of the harsh smells, because like it's all type of stuff up under there, like chicken wings, food, drinks, all type of things that are left under these seats. So that's probably like the hardest part about cleaning these police units. But other than that, man, it was a great job. We did a great job on it, and he was proud. So appreciate him for that shout.